Hi, Stella. What are you doing?
I'm saying my hair to feed my dog.
Is he hungry?
Yeah.
What's he drinking?
He's drinking milk from my piggy.
Is he? And does he need a burp?
Yeah. What is still crying?
Oh, feed him some more. You know what? You are such a good mommy. I have never seen such a good mommy. Dan, is she good mommy?
She's a wonderful, caring mother.
Oh, I think he needs a burp again.
He is still crying again.
Uh-oh, you better feed him a little bit more. Aww. What's your baby's name again?
Baby Real Doggy.
And how old is Baby Real Doggy?
He's 6 months old.
He's 6 months old. He's still pretty little then.
He's older than Zach.
Yeah.
They always feed him.
I already fed Zach. Yeah, I did.
And now I'm seeing my baby.
You are. Okay.
Yeah, my day you burp your baby.
I burped my baby too, yeah. He had a big burp. Does your baby burp loudly?
Yeah.
He does?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me show you.
We're going to eat him.
Burp. Oh, he does burp pretty loudly, doesn't he? Nana, do you have any questions for Zella?
No. Well, do you think he'll go to sleep after he eats?
Yeah.
Does he like to, what does he do? What kind of games does your baby like to play?
Towers.
He likes to build towers.
Yeah.
Do you take him on adventures?
Yeah.
Like what? What do you do today?
I take them to the playground.
Where else do you take your baby? Where else does he like to go?
Yeah, I always push him in a baby stroller.
You do? Not in the pushchair, in the stroller?
Yeah, in the baby stroller.
Oh, okay. What does he like to do? What, does he have a favorite food?
Yeah.
Milk?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else?
What does he want to be when he grows up?
I don't know.
A big doggy?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
We would run a train.
You want to ride a train when you grow up? Or drive a train?
Yeah. And we want to play in a band.
You want to play in a band when you grow up?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of band? What kind of band?
Can I see myself?
You can see yourself. Okay, I'll turn it off, okay?